Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Let's introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Salmun and I am from Universitas Islam Nusantara Bandung. In the time, I will explain about animation multimedia assisted realistic mathematics education. In teaching mathematics, many problems were found. These problems mainly arise because mathematics has an abstract characteristics. Other factors are the learning approaches implemented by teachers and lack of real-world mathematization. Therefore, it is reasonable if many students dislike mathematics. So students' motivation is very difficult to be grown. The abstractness of mathematical concept that occurs in primary and secondary education should be transformed into real-world problems. Talking about real-world mathematization means talk about realistic. The methods of teaching mathematics that use real-world problems known as realistic mathematics education. In realistic mathematics education, ideas and mathematical concepts are derived from real-world problems. In addition, realistic mathematics education gives an opportunity for students to develop and discover ideas and mathematical concepts under the guidance of a teacher. Some researches about realistic mathematics education found that realistic mathematics education still stands alone. It means that the teaching-learning presentation has not accompanied by the advantages of technological advances. Yet, the realistic mathematics education can maximize the advantages of using technological advances. One of tools that can assist realistic mathematics education is an animation multimedia. Animation multimedia has a convergent, interactive, communicative, and independent characteristics. With these characteristics, animation multimedia will be able to assist the teaching presentation of realistic mathematics education. For the reason, the writer tries to combine the concept in realistic mathematics education with the characteristic of animation multimedia. Therefore, the objective of this paper is to investigate and get the description of the process design of the teaching learning using animation multimedia assisted realistic mathematics education. Another objective is to find out the role of multimedia toward the teaching learning using realistic mathematics education. This paper uses qualitative analysis theoretical method. This method explores the use of literature sources. The data consists of two data, primary data and secondary data. Primary data is collected from books, thesis, dissertation, journal, scientific article, and scientific writing. Secondary data is collected from mass media, interview results, and other media. The teaching learning using realistic mathematics education emphasizes on improving the students' understanding and motivation in learning mathematics. The main concept of realistic mathematics education is that the students should have an opportunity to reinvent the mathematical concept under the guidance of an adult, and the discovery of ideas and mathematical concepts are derived from real-world problems and situations. The process of mathematization in realistic mathematics education consists of two elements. Those are horizontal mathematization and vertical mathematization. The multimedia-assisted learning is the use of multimedia advantages in teaching learning, which goals are to achieve the specific objective and control learning process. In this case, multimedia plays a role as a tool in a teaching learning process. From this statement, animation multimedia assisted learning is a learning process that assisted by animated medium for delivering learning content. Thus, animation multimedia assisted realistic mathematics education is the process of reinvent mathematical ideas and concepts through real-world problems with the assistance of animation as a medium to manipulate the presentation of real-world problems. Steps that performed in teaching learning using animation multimedia assisted realistic mathematics education are as follows. First, visualize real-world problems with animation. Second, design a scheme, formulate and process information. Third, use models and formulate mathematical ideas and concepts. And fourth, generalize. Material presentation in teaching learning using animation multimedia assisted realistic mathematics education is assisted by showing animation, so that the transfer real-world problems into ideas and mathematical concepts can run effectively. In this case, multimedia plays a role to facilitate material presentation using realistic mathematics education, mainly in the horizontal mathematization. Okay, that's enough from me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.